Hi guys, it's Esther and I'll show you how to draw Kirby, but first draw yourself a circle and then we'll get started with the mouth. So draw a straight line and then a U on the bottom and then an arc for the tongue. And I'll just go over with Sharpie right now and erase the pencil mark. And then we're going to draw a long oval for the eye and add 2 arcs and color the middle one. Then make the second eye, but he's winking. And then we're going to draw his foot, he's kicking up, and then his arm, and then the back foot and the other arm. And then just outline the circle and add his cheeks. And I just add a little bit of detail and then erase the pencil mark. Guys, this is Kirby and you can go ahead and color him however you want. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And for more content and updates, follow me on Facebook and Instagram.